What is your name?
My name is Andrea Lopez Jimenez, but I like people calling me by Nea because I think Andrea is too long and too serious.
How is your surname spelled?
My family name is Lopez and it is spelled Lopez. It's a typical surname in Mexico.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Oaxaca, Juarez, the most cultural city you will find in Mexico. Likewise, the food is delicious.
What do you like about the area you live in?
I love that there is a great variety of companies, therefore I have a lot of work opportunities.
What would you like to be doing in, say, 10 years' time?
I will adore having my ideal job, that is directing a big company, even more if it is my own. I know I have the skills, besides I enjoy it.
How did you find your current job?
I found it very interesting, mm, because I have never experienced being my own boss. And I love it because in this way I decide the goals, the type of management, who I want to alliance with.
What do you usually wear to work?
I usually wear skirts because I think they are formal, and also it always combined with elegant blouses.
What are some of your experiences with managing other people at work?
I have a bad experience that was hiring one of my friends, and she didn't work as well as I hoped so, because she has like the confidence I wouldn't disemployed her. The website received less than 50,000 subscriptions. The pizza company still owes me more than 13,000 in principal. The premises for Mr. Packard's factory were destroyed in the fire. The exhibition will be opening ahead of schedule on the 1st of the month. The hotel will not be able to accommodate such a large contingent of delegates. Professor clearly will act as liaison between the two companies during negotiations. The capital costs for new development were prohibitive, so the project was cancelled. The enthusiasm of personnel working in the accounting department has fallen recently. There is a new member at the company. This member is an old friend of mine. He asked me to give a card of recommendation to my boss, so I did it. Now I'm helping him on training, so he will adapt to the way the company works, and also to keep the good reputation I gave to him and the good reputation of me giving recommendations to my company. I also have the same help as for training. I think this is an useful help all companies need to give. In the first chart, you will see information about the sales of one of the most famous magazines. This is called Julia Fashion. Beginning with 2011, you will see how it dropped comparing to 2010. And for 2008 and 2010, the sales didn't drop, they increased. But seeing the amount of sales of 2008 and 2011, even though in 2008 they didn't drop, 2011 has more sales than 2008. Now, next we will see caray.
Is it always best to put workers in teams?
I think for some kinds of tasks, yes, it is a best idea because they will have a variety of brainstorm.
What level of challenge is appropriate for workers?
Well, first of all, telling them once a year or once a month what they are doing good and what they are doing bad, so they know what they can improve.
How does the company's reputation affect the satisfaction of the employees?
Well, all companies should have a good reputation, so they attract more employees, and also the employees should have a good reputation.
What kind of work atmosphere are employees looking for?
They are searching for an familiar ambient and a challenging ambient.
How can coworkers be encouraged to help each other?
Well, if there is a good atmosphere and they are always challenging the employees and working in teams,